If you have been jumping from one tool to another, one for image generation, another for video, and another just to make them talk, stop right there, because in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys Grok AI Imagine, an all-in-one tool that creates high-quality images, turns them into videos, and even make them talk.
If I told you I built this AI to expose fake influences, would you believe me?
Breaking news. AI just replaced your favorite anchor. Don't worry, I'll deliver the truth in 4K.
All inside a single app. Sounds massive, right? Stick around to the end of this video because I'll be sharing with you guys some helpful tips for you to create images in landscape format. Let's dive in. First things first, go to your browser and search for Grok AI. You can also search for grok.com. Tap on the official site and sign in or create an account using your Gmail account. Once you are in, this is how the interface looks like. This is a bonus tip. If you are accessing Grok AI from the website using your mobile phone, make sure that you toggle off the desktop site so that you can easily navigate through. To access that, go to the right hand corner and you're going to see 3 dots, tap on it and make sure that the desktop site is toggled off. Once you are on the interface, at the left hand side, you're going to see different tabs like Chat, Voice, and Imagine. Tap on Imagine. This is where all the magic happens. I like Grok because it gives really high quality, sharp and clean images. To create one, simply type your text prompt in the bar right here. Don't worry, this bar can actually contain as many of your text prompts as possible. So this is my text prompts right here. So to create your own image, video or speech, you need to tap on the Imagine tab. So when you tap on the Imagine tab, put in your text prompt. I actually got my own text prompt from ChatGPT. Then tap on Send. Then once you tap on Send, instantly Grok starts generating your images. It doesn't even take up to a second. Then you need to scroll through the images and then see what it generates for you. Once your image appears, choose the one that fits your style. This is the one I chose after everything. So since Grok generates portrait image, you can then go to ChatGPT and tell it to reform this image into a 16:9 image using this 5 prompts. So when I did that on ChatGPT, this is the result which I got from ChatGPT. And then this is what I'll then use to animate. So this is what I'll then convert into a video. I also generated some other cute looking images from Grok AI. This is to show you that Grok AI has a super ability of creating high quality images. After everything, after I have converted my image to a landscape format, the next thing is for me to animate it. And I want to use Grok AI to animate it. This is to tell you that you can also animate your images by first putting in the text prompt of the image and then later animating it or uploading in the image on Grok AI. So I'll upload in the image which I've already converted to landscape. So this is it right here. So once I uploaded in my image, Grok immediately started animating it into a video. But apart from this, there is a way for you to actually test out the different modes on Grok AI. So when you have uploaded it in, you're going to tap on the drop down arrow close to the redo option and you're going to see different modes here on Grok AI. You see the normal, the fun, the spicy and the custom modes. Since I want to control the output of my results, I want to put in my own custom text prompts that I will use to animate it, then I need to tap on the custom option right here. So in the custom option, you're going to then put in your custom video text prompt and then tap on Send and wait for some seconds for this to generate. I also tried out the spicy and the fun modes on Grok AI, and then this is what I get. For the fun mode, it adds more expressive motion as you can see right here. Then for the spicy mode, I think it gives it an extra play, a dynamic motion, cinematic camera feel. So since we have generated our images and also we have generated our videos from Grok AI, the next thing is for us to create our talking avatar, because I know that is where your concern is. And yes, Grok AI will generate a talking avatar for you without any watermark or whatsoever. So for you to do this, you need to first upload in the image which you want to convert from the image to a talking avatar, or you can also generate image from your text prompt. Just like what I did right here, I inputted in a text prompt to generate the image of the avatar which I want to convert to a talking avatar. When I uploaded in the text prompt, it generated the image. So I scrolled through the unlimited images it generated for me, and I finally chose this. So when I chose that, at the drop down arrow close to the redo option, you're going to see where it writes speech. So I'm going to tap on speech, and at this very place it says speech. You then need to put in the speech, what you want it to say. I got all of these from ChatGPT, and then I pasted in the speech of what I want my avatar to say or what I want my image to say, and this is the result I got.
If I told you I built this AI to expose fake influences, would you believe me?
I also tried it out using another image, and this is how it looks perfect.
Breaking news. AI just replaced your favorite anchor. Don't worry, I'll deliver the truth in 4K.
So guys, from this, I will just say that Grok AI is actually a wonderful tool, and if you are a creator looking for free AI tools to use to create content and all of that, I think Grok AI is actually the best, because it's an all-in-one tool that lets you create high quality images, animate them into videos, and turn them into talking avatar instead of you juggling from one app to the other. Grok handles it. So if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, like this video. I'll see you in the next video.